That's okay. So here's a quick little ditty to wake up your hips. You can use this between your warm-up sets here for the front squats this week, or this is also a shout out to Cara, who's looking for a little ways to break up the workday at home and bring in a little bit more movement throughout the day. So something real easy to kind of get the hips and spine and ankles, knees, a little bit of love without using a whole bunch of time. And it's a nice way to kind of break up little bouts of work at home. So maybe every hour or so, try something like this. So we're just going to combine a lot of the things we know. We're going to start just getting 30 bounces in a squat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 30. Then we're going to do the same idea with an ostrich bounce. 30 of them. 2, 3. Trying to touch the ground if you can. Use your shoes, your shins, wherever a good low point for you is, but we're trying to keep your legs straight and just keep that elastic kind of bouncing quality going. Let's get 30 of those. Then you're going to stand on your hands, you're going to grab your ankles, and we're going to drop down into a squat where our elbows are inside our knees, and then we're going to stand back up while we straighten our legs. Just going to go down and up 5 times. And then last off, we're going to get 5 thoracic rotations on each side. So just trying to block one knee with your elbow or shoulder, and then trying to rotate up as high as you can. Don't force anything, definitely don't use momentum. Just trying to get as open as you can with the straight arm. 5 times on your left side, and then 5 times on your right. There you have it. Maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes at the most. Good way, like I said, to show your lower body and your trunk a little bit of love in the middle of your workday or in the middle of your warm-up sets for the squats. Enjoy it.